You excited to go to the biggest tech store in Tokyo?
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Yes.
He's from Australia, guys, so he's not used to weather that's like slightly freezing.
This is crazy weather.
Alright guys, so it's been a while since we've been to this place, or really being raged because Fusion doesn't count. But we're about to head to what is probably the largest tech store in Tokyo. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Let's see if we're gonna buy anything today because this place is massive.
I ate here one time.
Oh really? Was it good?
Yeah. We're back in the most craziest tech store.
iPhone 15 Pro Max. Alright, let's see what they got here. These are soda.
Fusion wants like an anime phone case.
I think there's more upstairs. We're gonna phone decorated ones. Bro, I forgot how big this place is. Oh my goodness. I'm thinking I'll buy something here. I just have no idea what.
We believe that this plan can significantly reduce production costs.
Okay guys, I think that thing was like an AI translator. You talking to it and it speaks a different language. So that's ridiculously cool already. I kind of wish I'd buy it, but like $300 guys. I don't know. Have you seen this? It's like Joy-Con. We remove the...
Oh, it's just like your thing.
Yeah, except this is like as strong as the Ally.
Yeah. It's made by Lenovo.
Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah, nice.
And you have these.
Yeah, it is bulky.
It's really big though, yeah. But you can remove the for FPS games, right? You can take that one off.
Magnetically, right?
And you can use it like a mouse. While you use that one, like
oh, it is.
Yeah. Oh, it's so cool. The Ally?
Hey, that's what I got. There's the rug. Yeah, the rug. Oh, I love how like tactile.
Okay guys, now we're heading to the second floor. And I'm pretty sure the song that's playing is like the Yodobashi Akiba song for like the commercials and all that.
Oh, you know Don Quixote has their own?
Really?
Yeah. My brother and I, we were just singing it the whole time.
What's wrong with you guys? Oh!
What the? 19,000?
Oh yeah. It's like $200.
That's crazy, man.
Oh my god.
What?
Hello Kitty water kettle.
Yodobashi camera today. At Yodobashi Camera, you can find a wide variety of cameras, watches, computers, game consoles, toys, audio components.
Dude, why were people actually chilling by the gaming chairs? Can you see that?
I would too.
We hope you enjoy your
Oh
shopping
dude, there's so many
with us.
keyboards. What?
If you have any questions,
안녕하세요. 어서
Wait,
오십시오.
artists?
Now they're speaking Korean.
오늘은
Were they speaking
요도바시
Chinese just a
카메라를
second ago?
찾아주셔서
Now they're
진심으로
Korean, right?
Oh, now it's Chinese again.
요도바시
What the heck?
It was
They're
Korean.
covering all their languages.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're heading to the third floor. This place is actually massive. This is probably its own video. Now that's a camera. Fusion. That's the FX3 we're talking about. Fusion, come here. Oh, look, we have this camera in my backpack. Ooh, that's the real camera, guys.
1.6 mil.
Oh my gosh. All right, guys, 4th floor time. Bro, what doesn't this store have? Look at these. Bro, low key, if he had this back home, I wouldn't even bother using Amazon. I would just look over here.
Yeah. It'd be so like nice to look at.
Oh, earphones.
But you know how like America is nowadays? No more physical. You know they took down all the physical games?
Yeah, at Best Buy, yeah. Best Buy, what's up with that? Yo, sponsor though, sponsor. Audio Technica. Yo, shout out to Audio Technica. I've been using their mic for years, unlike some people who dropped Audio Technica mic.
Hey, I use my TLM now.
We're gonna beep that. No free promotion unless it's Audio Technica. Yo, this looks cool.
Oh, they got screens on them?
Yeah. Oh, what the heck?
See the sensitivity on it?
Oh.
Yeah, it's alright. It's like a, you know, those old MP4s, MP3 players.
It's kind of crazy how we still haven't seen the whole store. I don't even remember what floor we're about to head into. 6? Alright, I guess we're on 6, guys. I'm at 8.
God, 8.
We're going up, I guess. Alright, so we're skipping that floor because honestly there wasn't anything that any of us were interested in. But this next floor...
model trains?
What the heck's here? Oh! What is this? Yeah, Rage said it right, bro. This is literally like
Toys R Us.
Toys R Us in like its peak.
Toys R Us on steroids.
Like way better than Toys R Us, especially nowadays. Naruto. Oh, Oshinoko. Kana best girl, everybody.
Yeah, for a little bit.
Wait, have you heard of this? Okay, so you've obviously heard of Meta before, right?
Yeah.
Bro, you heard of Pico before?
Heard of what?
Pico. They're a VR headset as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It looks so similar too.
Yeah? Apparently they're really good.
The Apple Vision Pro.
Oh my god. See, look at this one.
Oh. Let me try it on. What's that? Have you tried it on?
No, I only know about it. Okay, Fusion. You know, you want to see something you'd probably waste money on?
What?
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
What would I waste money on? I mean, it reminds me of the Oculus, but try it if you want it.
No, I'm good. Wait, you want to see something Fusion would waste money on?
What?
Follow me, follow me.
I'm scared. Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
100%. How much is 3 million? What the?
What is that? 20,000?
What?
Right? 20,000 is 2 million, right?
Yeah, I think I would.
Oh.
That looks hot. Yo, you didn't get in that.
So yeah, you'd waste money on this
Did
Fusion?
you buy it?
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Go ahead, try it.
He's about to become a gamer.
Yeah.
I don't know. This guy is like a true gamer.
Go ahead.
Definitely up and down. Oh yeah. He's so hyped.
Fusion would just like play COD on this, hop on Discord, talk to us. Dude would have his drinks right here too.
Why are you gonna take a picture?
Here, Aris, I'll take it on.
No, I'm trying to take a thumbnail.
Oh. Click.
Were you a Black Widow user?
I was. Wait, I think so. Remember? I was like hyping it up.
Wait, hold on. I saw something. I didn't want to go up. My senses were tingling. Alright, do you have a plan? Okay. I'll get Goku. You get Vegeta.
Damn.
Yeah? Yeah? And you know, Fusion, just for you, you can get Frieza.
Who's a villain?
Someone's purple. I want that one.
Okay, wow, you guys really ruined this for me real quick.
Mr.
We could do that in Animate when we were in Animate before. Remember when they had figures there? Dude, where are we? Oh wait, are you buying something here?
No. Are we
Sure?
going?
Anything you want.
Oh, I might buy these.
Hey guys, Mario. We have an inside joke where we call Rage Mario, so I'll explain some other day, but not because he's just red. Alright, so I believe we're going to the last floors, which I'm pretty sure is a Uniqlo, which is a clothing store that originated here in Japan. And the top floor is a restaurant.
I don't see no back.
You've never been to a Uniqlo before?
Yeah.
Have you ever been to a Uniqlo?
I'm pretty sure they have them in Australia.
Yeah, but it's very basic clothing, but really good quality, as you can tell. Not a lot of branding, yeah. It seems like it's not just Uniqlo up here, it's a bunch of clothing shops. It seems like this is an ABC Mart. And there is a Daiso up here. Wow, this is crazy. Jeez, this place is definitely more than just an electronics store. Alright, Fusion, as someone who's been here for the very first time, what do you think of the store so far?
It's crazy.
It's like, okay, you know, I think me and you are kind of saying we buy a lot of stuff online, right? And you know, just because it's more convenient in a lot of stores, personally from
You
here,
don't
right?
even need to go online for this.
Exactly, because okay, where I live, right? There's a Best Buy and a lot of electronic stores, but I swear there are some specific things I need that they just don't have, and I would just have to order it on most likely Amazon.
Yeah.
I feel like if this existed back home, I wouldn't even bother.
Well, the only thing is, it would be hard to find, I feel like, what you need because it's so massive.
That's true.
So,
But still, I feel like the convenience of just having everything in one building, and oh my gosh, guys, like, I think the only thing stopping me from literally buying anything here, the prices aren't really too different from back home, although technically it would be cheaper here because of the exchange rate. But actually, yeah, the exchange rate is pretty good right now, so if we did buy something, we'd probably save a few $100s if it was pretty expensive. Like if you bought that $20,000 thing, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't actually be $20,000, it'd be more like closer to 15,000, 16,000.
why? Because of the tax thing?
Not just that, but because the exchange rate is kind of different here, so...
Oh, okay.
I'm talking in USD, you are
Yeah.
Australian, so AUD, but still.
Yeah.
Upstairs, I don't know if we're gonna bother, but there seems to be just a completely big food court upstairs, but we just kind of ate. Oh man, this store is... holy. And just like that, we have returned to the first floor, having bought absolutely nothing, but wanting everything, so... Still as crowded as ever, however, so I think Fusion's about to buy something, so let's see what he chose to buy. You know, Reg, you're right.
Huh?
It's never too early to go birthday shopping for me.
What do you want?
Yeesh, I mean, ooh, anything, really. From this aisle.
I think we should go to the stationery aisle.
Ah,
Pens and paper.
I could probably find something that's $1 million. All right, guys. Let's see what Fusion's genius purchases. I have no doubt that he would buy something that's 110% completely useful.
What do you think of that?
You know when I said it was going to be useful, guys? I mean, it's a phone case, you know? Yeah, it looks cool though.
Which one looks better, left or right?
Oh, I get the right one. That's just me personally though. All in all guys, successful day at Yodobashi Akiba. Leave a like.